So, traders, as you're looking forward into a new week, all I'm just going to share to you guys is possible direction for the coming week, making sure that we have a wonderful week and that we prepare ourselves so we can have a good, profitable, and great week. But before we get ahead on the video, like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and I recommend. Don't forget to follow our second YouTube channel that is based on crypto channel for crypto markets. And lastly, our mentorship courses are open. There's a link down below that you can click and choose a course that you prefer and want us to do, so we can come to you for 2 days or 3 days, change your trading for the good and the better. What that better will do, let us work on what's important and prepare ourselves for the next trading week and first pay, which is going to be next day. As we clearly understand, our structure is like the price is bullish, right? Looking at our world, looking at our structure, looking at our behavior, and looking at our patterns, right? So as you guys can clearly understand that this was our previous resistance, that the price simply gave us a push in an exhaustion phase, and a big about pushing to the upside, creating this new resistance in an exhaustion phase, in a continuation push to the upside. So as you can clearly see, price has closed with an all-time high, right? So all we can now look forward into, because we simply want to be waiting for confirmation, is to see price giving us a pullback or an exhaustion phase or a higher low formation, and then expect continuations to the upside. But at the same time, this is just an anticipation based on understanding that from every higher high that the markets brings out, there's to be a higher low if we can look forward a continuation of a new higher high. So that's all we're going to be focusing on this day, because we're going to be waiting for confirmation. This confirmation is based on us having to see price giving us a pullback or an exhaustion phase or a higher low formation before we can look forward for those possible new all-time highs. Without further ado, second pair, which is going to be gold. So gold, we're just waiting for confirmation based on how the market is looking, right? So understanding that the previous week we had this momentum push to the upside giving us this high, and then a push to the downside giving us a low, and a push to the upside giving us a high to end the week. We now can clearly understand that prices gave us a possible double top, right? So obviously from every push and a low and a push and a fail to break that previous high, if price pushes to the downside and breaks up off this high, this previous low, and comes back for a retest or go back and continues moving to the downside, this will be a confirmed double top. So all we're going to be focusing on gold is to see price giving us a break below this low in anticipation of what a continuation or a move to the downside. But at the same time, if it happens, the price breaks above this double top highs, then I guess we might continue to the upside, because we're simply waiting forward for confirmation, and confirmation is based on us having to understand, is price gonna give us a break above our highs, or is price gonna give us a break below this low to look for those moves to the downside. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. So USD CAD, price is not bullish, price is not bearish, but current price, when you actually look at it, right, because we did share on our midweek outlook that obviously lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and if price gives you a low that's not lower than our previous lower low, and if price breaks above our previous lower high and gives us a pullback and then continues moving to the upside, this will be a confirmed reversal pattern, because as you can clearly see, right, this was our lower low, this was our lower high, this was our lower low, this was our lower high, this was our lower low, this was our lower high, this was our lower low, this was our lower high, this was our lower low, right? So from this lower low, price gave us a push of a lower high and then a push of a low. So this low isn't low enough to break below our previous lower low. And this lower low and this low that prices printed out give us a push to the upside of a new high, breaking below our previous higher, our previous lower high, and a push to the downside giving us a low, and a continuation giving us a high, and a push giving us a low, and a push giving us a high. That's a confirmed reversal pattern. As you can clearly look at this, structure was bearish, and then structure is currently looking bullish. And as you can clearly understand, this is our previous reaction, this is our second reaction, and current price is giving us a third reaction on the very same zone. So all we're going to be focusing on is to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is based on us having to understand, is this pattern a reversal sign, or is this reaction on our resistance a fail to break above? We just don't know, but we're waiting for a break above to be bullish, fail to break, that's when it might look to be bearish. That's what we're going to be focusing on USD CAD, not only USD CAD, but the other two trading pairs that we work on, which is gold and Nasdaq with USD CAD. But without further ado, I hope I gave you guys the knowledge, the gems, and most of all added value in your trading. As you're looking forward into a new week, all I ask of you is to share the video to someone else, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, click the link that we use to sign up with our broker that we highly recommend. And lastly, there's a link down below. CT Academy has opened its mentorship courses. Use that link, inquire, leave a booking, let us know where we should come to you for 2 days or 3 days, and let us do so we can choose your trading for the good and the better. But without further ado, this is your boy Halam, and we're gonna catch you guys in the next video.